Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. If you're looking for a great new pair of cowboy boots to hit the town in, then you should get these from Coconut.
These Gaucho style cowboy boots by Coconuts are absolutely perfect faux leather boots for anyone who loves a cowboy style boot. I think these are perfect for so many outfits. I've been wearing them literally nonstop since I've gotten them out to the bar with some live music, dressed up for a day out, and they are so comfortable. Some cowboy boots can be really tight and uncomfortable to walk in, but these are super, super comfy on my feet. I have these here in the color tan, and I love the distressed look that they have. And they are a size 9, and I would say they are 100% true to size. They fit me perfectly.
So if you want boots that are not just beautiful, but comfortable too, get these from Coconuts. You are going to love them, and that is my point of view.